Welcome to Rani's Art and Craft. Today's I'm going to show you how can I make bow hair clip. So first of all, you have to take any color ribbon, if that is not paper ribbon, you have to take the cloth type ribbon, okay, and then you have to tie like a knot, okay, like this you have to tie, and then you have to cut it, okay, into both the sides should be same size, okay. So I have to cut it, and for cutting we will be needing the same, means we will need the scissors, and the homemade scissors link is in the description box. And also don't forget to like this video, share to friends and your family, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, or comment to challenge your suggestions or anything about this video. After 1000 subscribers by October 2022, I will doing a festival video, and after 1 lakh subscribers, I will doing my Q&A part 2 festival. And if you haven't seen my Q&A part 1, no problem, you can check it out. The link is in the description box. So guys, now I have to see the size, and then I have to stick in the both the size like this type of poke. We have to stick like that. So I will be using my homemade double-sided sellotape. That I will take a simple transparent sellotape, and I will make it as a double-sided. Okay, you have me seen this in very videos also, I hope so. You can use glue also, but I have less very little glue, that's why. Okay, and after 1 million subscribers, I will be doing a video that the topic will be how I edit my videos. Okay, so I have created some playlists also. If you haven't seen them, no problem, you can check them out inside the description box. Okay guys, so let us continue. So guys, I have to take a piece of ribbon, okay, and I have to tie it from the middle, okay, this portion. Try to take another color, but I have black moisture, that's why I'm using black. So for decorating it, I will be using clay also, and I will show you how you can do it. So if you also don't have other color, then if you have one color only, then you can also try out this idea of doing with the clay, okay. Okay, so I have this clay balls. I will take a little bit of part of this, and I will just do it. And I told you, if you also don't have to two colors or more colors, means more color ribbon, then you can also use this idea. So let us see what we need to do. Now you have to take your hair clip and you have to stick our this bow. But mine, the bow has been very big, but that's why it won't look so much beautiful. But I know you guys will make it and you are going to be beautiful only. But first I need to cover full portion, means the middle portion of the bow with clay, right? So let us continue. So now I will be sticking, guys, but as I don't have that much of glue, so that's why for sticking in the this clip, you can see we have to stick it right now. Okay, so for sticking in the that thing clip also, I will be using this clay only. And if you have glue, you can use that glue. You know that you don't need to use this clay, right? So let us stick, and I hope it will get stick. Because the clay is a bit of sticky, right? That's why. So guys, it is ready. So now I have to just make it, give it a circle shape, so it will look better. Okay, so it has been got, it is ready right now. So it's time to what? It's time to check. So let us check. And yeah, guys, I'm checking it right now, and it's working. You could see I will be wearing it right now. Yeah, I will be touching it on my hair clip here. So it's working, guys. So thanks for watching. Thanks for help and support. Please keep supporting me. You haven't seen these videos? Why? I think you haven't checked out my channel. But no problem, you can check them now. These two videos. Go check now. Bye.